AI listings keywords or keyword density. So what it does is usually what sellers do is they use the keywords tools, which we also have, of course, and have had for years, that analyze the keywords that listings are tracked for, are indexed for, right? For example, on position 50, and you want to get higher for the organic results for that keyword. For example, if you have a kitchen scale, you want to be very high on the in the organic results on the page when someone types kitchen scale. That's like your main keyword. It can be really competitive, but that's your main keyword. And that's what everyone does. What I thought is also interesting is that if we analyze the listings itself, the listings description, bullets, and titles, and we see what keywords are really repetitive among, again, first 2 pages of listings, we could have it, in another way. We could see what keywords they push into the listings, and that means they are really useful. And they could be great for your SEO and PPC campaigns. So all the keywords from the listings that we analyzed from the kitchen scale, I think, again, like 70 or 80, I'm not sure how many are on the first 2 pages. We organize them by groups like features and materials. That's what we and I do, together. And we put them right here, and with a frequency they occur in the listings. That means that the stainless steel keyword appears 21 times on the listings across this niche. Okay, does it make sense?
Yeah, so as far as I understand, features and materials, like we're gonna have other types of keywords in a bit when we scroll down,
Yeah.
but these come up again and again as for features and materials. So then based on the amount of, for example, stainless steel or what was that LCD display, so it can give us ideas for what to include in our listing to describe the product, but also it can help us understand kind of, maybe what sellers think that buyers want. So easy to clean, for example, so we can emphasize that, etc., etc.
Yeah.
Or maybe we can take ideas as backlit LCD, as we can see there. Maybe that can be a feature on our product. So I think this is good for writing down the listing, as for making it sell better, but also maybe these are keywords that people are searching for. So maybe they're searching for kitchen scale with LCD display, etc.
Yeah, I think people are totally looking for LCD display, kitchen scale, and they type it in the search box. But I don't think they type easy to clean. They just expect it. So that's not a keyword, I think, for the SEO in this particular case. I mean, easy
Yes.
to clean. But that's definitely a phrase you need to include in the listing. Easy to clean, high precision. I think that's about the figures, on the display. Battery
Yes.
operated. That's not the thing that anyone would put in the search box, battery operated, but customers just expect that. Or batteries included. They maybe put that if they, describe everything for the product, about the product. Search box. That's
Nice.
not usually how it works. So yeah, but that's obviously useful because a lot of, 10 times listings included that easy to clean thing in their listings. Durable design. So usage and convenience, again, meal prep. I don't know what it means, but I think it's somewhere, right? For the meal prep. Portion control, baking scale, user friendly, space savings. Sometimes probably they don't make sense, but usually, yeah, everything is clear, like what it means. So what else is interesting? Yeah, that's weight measurements units. Yeah, I guess people use different measurements, and that's why it has such a big frequency. Some units, compact design. So here we go. It doesn't have many groups, by the way, of keywords. Sometimes it gives like 10 different groups: design, functionality, and others. And yeah, that's the old one, but it's
Yes.
also the title keywords density. Yeah, it's been here for years.
Mm-hmm.
This one just gives the separate words from the only the titles. So you definitely need to include the word scale, kitchen, food, and digital in your title.
Mm-hmm.
And also stainless, weight, grams.
Mm-hmm.
You can now export everything to this CSV file and this as well.